Today, we're delving into the ancient wisdom of Stoic philosophy and how it can supercharge your relationships. Imagine this, being surrounded by folks who lift you up, push you forward, and help you grow. Sounds awesome, right? But let's face it, not everyone we meet fits that bill. That's where Stoicism comes in handy. It gives us the lowdown on who to keep close and who to steer clear of. In this video, we're going to spill the beans on the 9 types of people Stoicism warns us about. Think manipulators, chronic whiners, and the like. Get ready to arm yourself with wisdom that not only boosts your connections, but also keeps your inner calm intact. Whether you're a die-hard Stoic or just looking to level up your relationships, this one's for you. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Manipulative individuals seek to control others for personal gain, employing deceitful tactics such as lies and manipulation. Stoics prioritize honesty and shun deceptive behavior. As Epicurus aptly noted, allowing someone to provoke anger in you grants them power over you. Manipulators employ covert methods to influence others, exploiting weaknesses, fostering emotional dependency, and evading accountability. Recognizing these traits is vital for shielding oneself from their influence. Number 2. Habitual whiners often focus on the bad parts of situations, keeping a cycle of unhappiness and negativity going. They tend to keep thinking about problems without trying to fix them, which makes for a negative and unhappy atmosphere. On the other hand, followers of Stoicism believe in taking action to solve problems instead of just worrying about them. By doing this, people can become stronger and create an environment where they can grow and be happy instead of always complaining. Stoicism teaches the importance of accepting things that can't be changed while putting energy into things that can be changed. This helps people deal with challenges calmly and bravely, which ultimately leads to more happiness and progress. Number 3. People who follow bad practices often show they lack moral honesty, often choosing their own benefit over being truthful and kind. On the other hand, followers of Stoicism show a strong commitment to being morally upright, firmly saying no to the appeal of being dishonest or harmful. This philosophical belief is echoed in the wise words of Marcus Aurelius, who warned against wasting time arguing about whether someone is good or not. Basically, the difference between good and bad behavior highlights how important moral values are in guiding how people act and forming who they are. Number 4. People who don't appreciate what they have and always want more often miss out on feeling happy about what they already have. Instead of being thankful for what's good, they focus on what they don't have or envy what others do. This way of thinking stops them from enjoying life and being happy. Also, when they don't say thank you or recognize when others are kind to them, it can make their relationships bad. It's important for people to be thankful for what they have and not always want more, so they can see how good their life is and enjoy it more. Number 5. Deception is a big problem in society, often used by people trying to get ahead by not being truthful or acting with integrity. Whether through outright lies or sneaky tricks, deceptive people put their own interests first, often not caring about how it affects others. This breakdown of trust can cause a lot of damage, ruining relationships and making people doubt everything. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, talked a lot about the importance of being honest and ethical, saying that honesty is key to personal growth and getting along in society. Stoicism itself says that being honest and having integrity are really important because deception not only breaks trust, but also goes against the basic ideas of Stoic philosophy, which are all about accepting reality and living in harmony with nature. So being honest isn't just the right thing to do. It's a crucial part of living a good and meaningful life, according to Stoicism. Number 6. Persistent anger or aggression can seriously harm good decision-making processes. When people react quickly because of anger, it often makes interactions more complicated and adds to creating a bad atmosphere. On the other hand, staying calm and trying to understand are very important for building positive relationships and dealing with conflicts effectively. The philosophy of Stoicism gives useful ideas about this because its followers focus on harmony and logical discussion instead of letting anger take over. By following these ideas, people can develop a mindset that not only helps them feel better, but also improves how they relate to others and handle conflicts, making society more peaceful overall. Number 7. Self-centered people focused on themselves tend to put their own needs first, sometimes ignoring others. This narrow view can lead to actions that don't consider how others feel, promoting selfishness and not caring about others' experiences. On the other hand, Stoicism promotes seeing the bigger picture, caring about everyone's well-being and understanding how we're all connected. By being empathetic and realizing the limits of self-centeredness, people can grow personally, making their lives better and forming stronger bonds with others. This helps create a kinder and more peaceful society. Number 8. In a world filled with shopping and wanting things, the attraction of stuff often makes it hard to find real happiness. People who are always buying things think they'll be happy if they have more stuff, but that's not true. This way of thinking makes them focus too much on getting more things instead of building good relationships, growing personally, and feeling good inside. As Epicurus wisely said, true happiness isn't about having lots of stuff, but about wanting less and enjoying the simple things in life. Real wealth isn't about having a lot of things, but about having meaningful experiences and strong connections with others as we go through life. Number 9. Watch out for those who regularly gossip, chatting about other people's private lives or secrets behind their backs. This kind of talk can cause big problems. It often leads to spreading rumors or sharing sensitive info, which can hurt relationships and cause misunderstandings among friends. Wise folks, like the Stoics, say it's important to be respectful and honest and warn against getting involved in gossip. Understanding these kinds of people can help you keep your peace of mind and grow as a person. Remember, avoiding gossip isn't about judging others. It's about keeping yourself calm. By staying mindful of these ideas and looking after yourself, you can handle social situations better and bounce back from emotional challenges. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. We've explored some powerful insights into navigating life's twists and turns through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Remember, surrounding yourself with positive influences and staying true to your principles can make all the difference in your journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And be sure to share your thoughts in the comments section. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay mindful, stay positive, and prioritize your well-being. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.